Okay.
Do you mind if I play a little piano?
Yeah, maybe not. Right,
Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's
I'll be
okay.
done soon. I'm sorry. Oh, crap. Huh. Range.
It sounds like it's coming down a lot.
It is.
Really? Well, we're not out of the woods yet.
Oh no, definitely. No, it's gonna get, it's icy. It's about to get slick. Yeah.
Oh, crap. No crap. Huh. Population. Okay, I'm doing population here, so I would do ST, standard deviation of population P. This is for sample, so I'm going to delete that. Over here, I couldn't figure out sample. Use the sample data. Okay, so that changed too now. Okay, it does matter, and you have to read the question to find out if it's a sample or population. I don't know why it matters. 7. Two decimal places. Range. 0.8. 0.3. If necessary, round, so I'm not doing that one. That's crazy. 12 times 12. Okay. The standard deviation is how much difference is between the data sets, I think. Let me see. Yeah, like how spread out it is. And the 16-ounce bottle will always have the same amount of water. It will not vary. Oh, wait. Okay. What the fuck? Okay, it's a sample. Okay, the empirical rule is about graphs. If a graph is symmetrical, like that, then it follows the empirical rule. So let's see if China can, let's see what the graph looks like. No, that is not a bell curve. The fuck? The fuck is a 5 numbers? Oh, mean, median. This is the same to me as the empirical thing. Okay. I'm gonna do something stupid and assume it means the same thing as empirical rule. So, yeah. Germany. Fuck yeah. China. That is also not bell curve. No, 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 no. Maybe it is acceptable. I'm gonna say true. It is bigger on the right, which means it's left skewed. It's bigger on the left, which means it's skewed right. Yes. No. Germany seems to be doing better in terms of air quality because its values are higher. These are lower. The mean is higher than the median. Yeah. Wait. No. For a left skewed graph, the median is higher than the mean. No. If the graph was a line or something, maybe, but you're more likely to have low quality air in China here. Less consistent than in Germany. I don't know about that. Oh, that's a standard deviation question. Let's see. China. Thank you. No, okay. In China, it varies more because it's at 15. So it is less consistent. 15 is bigger than 13, that's why. Okay. Oh, great. What the fuck? Newborn African elephants are bell-shaped. Okay. Oh, God. Okay. Let's do it like this. Let's draw. Okay, ready? Draw. Draw. Now. Okay. Bell shape. Bell shape. Okay. 120 plus 11.4. Okay. Do it like this. 120 plus 11.4 equals 131. 4 plus 11.4. Okay. So we're doing plus 11.4 again. Four. minus 11.4 minus equals 120 equals whoa. This is 34. Whoa. %. 13.5%. 2.5%. 0.15%. Okay. So between between 108 and 131. 108, 131 is 34 plus 34, which is 68. We're going to do it anyway. Okay. Between 92, between 97.2 and 142.8 is 13.5 plus 34 plus 34 plus 13.5. Obviously, there's a quicker way to do that, but we're doing it that way, just so you can see it all. Okay. There we go. Okay, between 85.8 and 154. So that's going to be almost all of it. There's a 0.05 on either end here, which accounts for the 0.3% that's not on the left over here. Over here. Yeah. there's more variability in the college students. Okay, the age at which students graduate from high school would have a smaller standard deviation, yes. That's fine. God damn it, it's never gonna end. Okay, it's skewed to the right. Sorry, skewed to the left because it's bigger on the right, which means the median is more than the mean. If the median is more than the mean, and the mean is less than the median, you cannot determine the modes. I don't know if that's true. Best measures of center. The best measure of center for a skewed graph is a median, apparently. Is the median, apparently. I didn't know that until I looked it up. It's more common for a millionaire to have an age above the mean. What? Oh. Then below the mean. An age above the mean, then below. Sure. It's definitely left skewed. 95% of millionaires have an age within 2 standard deviations of the mean. That's only for. Oh. Yeah. Oops, sorry. That's what I'm gonna go with. I hate this. Oh my god. Please, 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 please. Okay. Let's see. I'm just gonna put that over here. No. Okay. Cut. Paste. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Maybe one more time. Equals. Sample. Random sample. Variation. Equal. Oh, sorry. Standard deviation. Okay. Variation. Okay. What's this? the power of 2. I don't know why. I don't know. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Standard deviation. Standard deviation of a sample. Oh, shut. Sample. Okay. 5,000. This is 22,000, and this is 5,000. Restaurants vary less than food trucks. Oh. Let's do the average. That's what the first question is. Okay. Restaurants raise less money than food trucks. The average is 10,000. This average is 20,000. So that's true. In general, food trucks have more variability. The standard deviation is much higher, 22,000 versus 5,000. So that's true. We could just write it. Maybe I don't understand why we need this number, but we're gonna do it just in case. $26,000. Oh God. Here I go. 26,000. Okay. $490 million versus 26 million. Okay, way more variation. The distribution of money raised for restaurants is skewed to the right. I don't know. Let's find out. Yeah, well, okay. It goes like. Oop, I'm just kidding. It goes like that. So it's bigger on the right, which means it's left skewed. Oop, fuck. False. The shape of the distribution of the food truck suggests it's equally common to raise lots of money as it is to raise very little money. Maybe that would look like this, maybe. Let's find out. No. It's not equally common. It gets smaller. There's more values in the low money side. So that's false. For restaurant projects, the mean is greater than the median. I don't know. Restaurants, median. Oh, they're exactly the same. That's crazy. Wait. I guess there is no mode. If the mean is the same as the median, it's supposed to be a bell curve, I thought. Anyway. Oh, I messed up. I was supposed to do it for food trucks. The mean and the median are the same for food trucks. Let me see. Hey, baby. Hi, Athena. No, these two are not the same number. Typically, food trucks raise more funds. The mean here is bigger. Food truck project, we could use the empirical rule. No, we could not, because it's not a bell curve. This is probably true. There's less deviation. The standard deviation is smaller. The mean is greater than the median. That is not true either. They're the same. They're the same, okay. Consider the histogram below each of the following statements. Okay. The best measure of center to describe typical fat content of frozen pizza would be the mean. No. It looks skewed, so I'm going to say it's the median. The median fat content is greater than the mean. It's skewed to the right, which means the median is less than the mean. So that's false. It's more common. Hi, baby. Hi, little kitty. Hi. It's more common for the frozen pizza to have a fat content below the mean than above the mean. I don't understand this question. The mean's going to be like over here. So it's more common to have it below the mean. Oops. Yeah. Negatively skewed. Is that a fucking... Oh, that is an option. Large skewed does... Okay. I don't like using AI, and I don't know how to turn it off. Pause. Oh, it's for this. I guess the 5-number summary is when it's a skewed graph. Fewer than 10 frozen pizzas have more than 43 grams of fat per serving. 43. Fewer than 10 have more than 43. Yes. That is true. That seemed super weirdly easy. Okay. Let's look at that. What was the 5-number summary? Okay. Germany was... What's Germany? Germany was skewed to the right. It's skewed, so it is good to use the 5-number summary then. Oh God. Crazy. Okay.